Hello, everybody. This is Engineer Isaiah Tube. YouTube. I just want to say, today is Saturday. Saturday. I just want to say I'm pretty excited because I just got back home from a long vacation, with my brother and my mom, and of course I forgot to check the porch, and now the porch, and of course we just as we got home. This package arrived in the mail. I paid $15 for it. Here's for it. Previously, I did an unboxing review of the brand new 2006 Thomas and Friends Whistle and Go Thomas, which some person bought from the store, or from the raw store. I really thought all the one that was in the priority mail package was sealed. I could have my There Goes a Train video. Turns out it was really my Whistle and Go Thomas that was inside that package. Well, until now, here in the present, I've been waiting for a very long time for this package to arrive in the mail. Oh, I'm pretty sure this one has my There Goes a Train video in it. Whatever it is, I'm gonna pause this video and I'm gonna hold on to camera so you can see me unbox this thing. Be right back. Well, here it is, guys. There goes a train. Goes a train. I've been waiting for a very long time waiting for a very long time for this to arrive in the mail. In the mail. After waiting for so many days, it looks like it finally arrived in the mail. I thought this would never come. Well, it looks like it finally has arrived. It's even amazing that it comes with a little toy train here. So now I gotta say, I've been waiting for an incredibly long time for this train video for this to arrive in the mail. There Goes a Train is a classic train movie where you learn about trains. Of course, back in 1994, it was available only on VHS. It says real wheels, and on the side there it looks like there's a little train here. The cool thing about this one, which comes with a little toy train here, is that, well, it's brand new, never ever been opened, and it's factory sealed. Sealed. Old. And it's so amazing that it even comes with a little toy train. So, it says, for ages just 3 and up, warning, small parts may pose choke hazard for children under the age of 3. Die-cast metal. That's metal. So, on eBay, it's usually pretty difficult to find There Goes a Train. Brand new on VHS. This was literally the only one I was able to find on eBay. Brand new, never ever been opened, and factory sealed with shrink wrap. This is an item I'm going to be keeping in the box as a collector's item forever. It's because it's so rare and hard to find. So yeah, it's really amazing that it's brand new and never been opened, and it's also amazing that it even comes with a little toy train. The year that this video was released was the year 1990. 1994 was the year that this video was released. This is a pretty cool item, but not as cool as the Whistle and Go Thomas because it's much bigger. It's also not as cool as my Santa Fe Warhorse Hudson freight train set by Lionel, which was released in the year 1997. So I gotta say that this is really amazing. This was literally the only one that I can find, a brand new, never ever been opened, factory sealed. This is an item. This is an incredible train item that I'm going to be keeping in the box forever. It's so amazing that it's brand. It's too bad that there's a tag that's right here. It appears that there's a picture of a train here. From where this picture stands, there's supposed to be a picture of a little boy here, but it looks like there's a tag blocking the way. I believe the brand for this video is Kid Vision. So yeah, I'm really glad I paid $15 for it. That should have been worth a lot more money on eBay. As a matter of fact, I think I have another one that looks just like this. Only it's pre-owned and it's one that I'm trying to sell on eBay. Though the other one that I have that I'm trying to sell on eBay is something that I'm beginning to think I want to change my mind. I'm back, guys. What I meant to say is I actually have 2 more in stock that are used. So the brand new one that I'm holding. So the one that has the toy train in it is brand new, never ever been opened, and factory sealed. And the condition on this one is very good. Although there's something different about the cases. So yeah, I really love this one the best because it's brand new, and never been opened and factory sealed. I'm going to be keeping this one in the box as a collector's item forever. The other 2 here, these 2 are pre-owned. One of them still has the case. One was in great condition. The other one is missing the case. So in the middle here is a pre-owned version of There Goes a Train. Goes a Train. One thing that although the cases look different, from the left and right, you can see that the brand new version is missing the railroad crossing sign. Somehow the pre-owned version has it. And instead of live action video Home for Kids, the brand new version has real wheels on it. So the pre-owned and brand new, the new ones do look rather different. It's just strange. I don't know why this brand new version doesn't have the railroad crossing sign, or I don't know why these 2 don't match. But whatever it is. So the one that has the toy train is brand new, never been opened, factory sealed. This one here is in great condition. Condition. This is what the boy looks like. Even though this one is pre-owned, it's in really great condition. So is the tape. The tape is also in great condition. So yeah, even though I like the brand new one best, this one here, which is pre-owned, this pre-owned version, which I've got from a thrift store for 25 cents. It has great condition. As a matter of fact, this pre-owned version here, or was the There Goes a Train video that I'm trying to sell on eBay. This one here is missing the case. And the condition on this one ain't too good. There's a crack here and a couple of spots and stains on this tape. Compared to this one, it's much more clean, and has better condition. So yeah. So even though the brand new one is my all-time favorite, I really like the pre-owned. I really like this one. The one that's pre-owned. He owned. So, well, yeah, I really like the pre-owned version almost as much as the brand new one. Only the problem is that one thing I don't like about the brand new a new version is that it doesn't have the railroad crossing sign. It's really strange that they look kind of different for some reason. So yeah, the one on the left is the best. This one, brand new, pre-owned. Although the one in the middle has the best pre-owned condition, because the tape that came with this case here has better condition. Only except, I actually changed my mind about this one here. I don't want to sell it on eBay anymore. Hopefully maybe in a few days, Mom can take it off of eBay, so that way, and then I can put it on my shelf with all my other movies, which I have on VHS. So yeah. Now that it's been a few minutes, I think I'm gonna pause. I think I'm gonna put my phone down so I can go ahead and display this amazing video. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put some tape on it first. Well, here it is. The brand new 1994 or There Goes a Train video, which comes with a little toy train here. It is now on display, well, being properly displayed with all the other brand new trains, which I have right here. So we now have the 1994 There Goes a Train in video, which comes with the toy train here. Previously, I did a review on the brand new 2006 Tommy Thomas and Friends Whistle and Go Thomas, which came from the Ross store. Santa Fe 1997 Santa Fe Warhorse Hudson Freight Train, instead by Lionel. This sign on here is this table here is where I keep my collection of brand new trains. 2018 Santa Fe Super Cheap battery operated train set. Fun Little Toys classic train. Trackmaster 2007 Thomas mechanical 3D puzzle train. The Polar Express train puzzle train poster. And these two little toy trains here came from Dollar Tree. I got this for my birthday. On the other side, we have the Santa's Express train set by Hornby. The Overland Limited HO scale electric model train set by Bachmann. You can see the parts. And finally we have the classic 1990s Diesel Express battery operated train set. E-operated train set. So, well, yeah, I gotta say I really am glad that my There Goes a Train video finally arrived in the mail. This is definitely something I'll be keeping in the box forever because it's so rare. Now, before I close this video, I want to say something before I go. If you're interested in purchasing the There Goes a Train video on VHS, I recommend buying it on eBay. Whether it's new or used. I recommend buying it new if you can find one. Recommend finding one brand new as long as you can find it for a reasonable amount. If you buy There Goes a Train on eBay brand new, I recommend keeping it in the box because it's so rare and hard to find. Well, in the meantime, I think it's about time I wrapped up this video. Just remember, guys, if you're interested in purchasing it, buy it on eBay, whether it's new or used. I recommend buying it new if I were y'all guys, even though it's so hard to find. In the meantime, it's about time I wrapped up this video. I hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. Unboxing review of the brand new 1994 There Goes a Train video by Kid Vision, and hopefully, and I hope y'all guys will have a great day. In the meantime, time for me to wrap up this video. And remember, guys, God made you special, and He loves you very much. Goodbye.